Want to add simple, effective graphics to your page? The icon component lets you add and customize icons to make your content more visual. Let's take a look. Here are examples of icons in action. They're great for highlighting contact details, social media profiles, features, or quick visual cues. Now, let's see how to add it. To add an icon, click Add. Then select Icon from the Components list. At first, the icon shows as a black square until you choose an image. Click on the icon to enter icon editing mode. Use Choose Image to select an icon. This opens the Image Manager, where you can upload, rename, and organize your images, or even search for stock images. Add a color overlay to match your site's palette. You can adjust the color and opacity to get the effect you want. You'll see a rectangle with handles that let you crop or resize the icon. Hold Shift while resizing to keep its proportions. Drag the handles to resize, or click inside the rectangle to move the cropped area. Set a text alternative or alt text, so visitors using screen readers know what the icon represents. If the icon is purely decorative, you can leave this blank. You can also link the icon, just like text or a button, to another page, an external website, or even a file. Use the aspect ratio and width settings to control the size and shape of your icon. Choose whether your icon is aligned to the left, center, or right. And if you make a mistake, just use Undo or Redo. When you're happy, click OK to keep your changes, or Cancel to discard them. Finally, click Save in the toolbar to publish your changes so your visitors can see them. And that's it. With the icon component, you can add quick, visual touches that bring your content to life.